Hi everyone. For our 450 project, we're doing the single degree of freedom robotic arm. This is controlled with the microcontroller, TIVA microcontroller, and we have an H-bridge driver right here, which is going to control the motor with the H-bridge, and we also have a BJT MOSFET system, which is going to be controlling the electromagnet. So for our 1 degree of freedom robotic arm, we're using the 3.3 voltage output to connect to the 3.3 of the H-bridge driver circuitry. We have ground connected up here from this terminal right here. We're using for HB1, we're connecting PF1 port, which is enabled, which is connected actually from the bottom for the pin. It was easier. We're using PF3 up here for which is connected to the bottom again. For HB2. For the potentiometer, we use port E, PE4, which is connected right here. And yeah, for the MOSFET, we're using PB6 for the control of the electromagnet. So for the hardware setup, we connect the microcontroller to our computer setup over here. And the ports are connected to the H-bridge driver circuitry, which is right over here, part in the zoom. So we got ground, we got a potentiometer input, HB1, HB2, the MOSFET, and the 3.3 volt control. On the power side, we have the motor terminals coming in here. We have the electromagnet connected to the input power right here, and we have the potentiometer connections here, and 12 volt input power from here, which is connected to the output socket. The goal of the system is to start from position A, which is right here, move 90 degrees, pick up the magnet, and bring it back as so. So essentially dropping the magnet here. So the logic will be for the electromagnet to move using PID control 90 degrees, turn on the electromagnet, and move back and release the electromagnet. And now we'll have our demo.